Meiosis, also known as reduction division, is a special type of cell division that creates sex cells with half the number of chromosomes. This fundamental process is essential for sexual reproduction in all living organisms. Unlike regular cell division, meiosis produces cells that are genetically unique and contain only half the genetic material of the parent cell. Understanding meiosis is crucial because it explains how organisms maintain constant chromosome numbers from generation to generation and how genetic diversity is created in populations. Meiosis serves two critical functions in living organisms. First, it enables sexual reproduction by creating specialized reproductive cells called gametes. Without meiosis, organisms would not be able to produce sperm or egg cells needed for creating offspring. Second, meiosis controls chromosome numbers across generations. When two parents contribute genetic material to create offspring, meiosis ensures that each parent contributes exactly half of the chromosomes needed. This prevents the chromosome number from doubling with every generation, which would quickly become unsustainable for the organism. The reduction process in meiosis is straightforward but remarkable. A parent cell begins with 46 chromosomes, which is the diploid or 2N number. This means the cell has two complete sets of chromosomes, one inherited from each parent. Through meiosis, this parent cell produces sex cells with only 23 chromosomes, which is the haploid or N number. This represents exactly half the original chromosome count. When a sperm cell with 23 chromosomes combines with an egg cell containing 23 chromosomes during fertilization, the resulting offspring has the full 46 chromosomes again. Four essential terms help us understand meiosis. Diploid, abbreviated as 2N, refers to cells containing two complete sets of chromosomes, with one set inherited from each parent. Most cells in your body are diploid. Haploid, abbreviated as N, describes cells with a single set of chromosomes, which is found exclusively in sex cells. Gametes are the specialized reproductive cells produced by meiosis, specifically sperm cells in males and egg cells in females. Finally, reduction division is the name given to the entire meiotic process because it reduces the chromosome number from diploid to haploid, cutting it precisely in half. Meiosis accomplishes its goals through a two-stage process. The first stage, called meiosis 1, separates homologous chromosomes from each other. Homologous chromosomes are matching pairs where one chromosome comes from the mother and one from the father. This first division reduces the chromosome number from 2N to N. The second stage, called meiosis 2, separates sister chromatids, which are identical copies of each chromosome joined together. This second division maintains the haploid number. Going from N to N, both stages are necessary to produce the final gametes with the correct chromosome number. When meiosis is complete, one diploid parent cell has transformed into 4 haploid gametes. This is a remarkable outcome. Starting with a single cell containing 2 N chromosomes, the process creates 4 separate cells, each containing N chromosomes. These 4 cells are the gametes that can participate in sexual reproduction. Each gamete is genetically unique due to the shuffling and recombination of genetic material that occurs during meiosis. In males, all 4 cells typically become functional sperm cells, while in females, usually only one becomes a mature egg cell, with the other 3 cells degenerating. Meiosis occurs in specific reproductive organs depending on biological sex. In males, meiosis takes place in the testes, which are the primary reproductive organs responsible for producing sperm cells. This process, called spermatogenesis, continuously produces millions of sperm cells throughout a male's reproductive lifetime. In females, meiosis occurs in the ovaries, the reproductive organs that produce egg cells through a process called oogenesis. Unlike males, females are typically born with all the cells that will undergo meiosis already present in their ovaries, though the meiotic process is not completed until fertilization occurs. Meiosis and mitosis are fundamentally different processes serving different purposes. Meiosis involves 2 consecutive divisions, creating 4 cells from one parent cell. These 4 cells are haploid, containing half the chromosome number, and each is genetically unique due to genetic recombination. In contrast, mitosis involves only one division, producing just two cells from one parent cell. These two cells are diploid, containing the full chromosome number identical to the parent cell. Mitosis creates identical copies for growth and repair, while meiosis creates genetic variation essential for sexual reproduction and evolution. Meiosis has three profound impacts on life. First, it creates genetic diversity by shuffling genetic material from both parents, ensuring that every gamete is genetically unique. This means every offspring produced through sexual reproduction has a unique combination of traits. Second, meiosis maintains chromosome balance across generations. Without the reduction division, chromosome numbers would double with each generation, making life impossible. Third, meiosis drives evolution by providing the genetic variation that natural selection acts upon. The random combinations and genetic diversity created by meiosis give populations the variation needed to adapt to changing environments. Meiosis is the specialized cell division that produces 4 genetically unique haploid gametes from one diploid cell, ensuring stable chromosome numbers across generations. This process is absolutely essential for sexual reproduction and the continuation of life as we know it. By reducing chromosome numbers and creating genetic diversity, meiosis enables species to reproduce while maintaining genetic stability. In the next video, we will explore the detailed phases of meiosis, examining each step of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 to understand exactly how chromosomes are separated and how genetic variation is generated during this remarkable process.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.